Ramogi Spika mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula onyiso jatend migao mar omenda John Mbadi mondo chope od bura mamalo kiny mar lero gimomiyo nyaka sani pok ochiw omenda mag NG-CDF. Wetangula ogolo wach makama bang' jo od bura bwogo rocho chenro mag od bura kaka yor nyiso ng'ur margi e wi gimomiyo pok ogol omenda mag NG-CDF mondo gichul godo basari ne jopuonjre. Jo od bura kone kata bang' miyo gisingo nyaka sani pok giyudo omenda. To koro higa mar 2024-2025 mani komenda masani ochiegni rumo.
I direct the majority leader to bring a statement to the House tomorrow at 2:30 to assure the House on the levels of disbursements of CDF so that your constituencies can continue functioning.
Honorable Speaker,
order.
Can we just have the minister here instead of having a response? Can you just direct, for the sake of this House, because I have also put your name at disrepute, Honorable Speaker. If we didn't know you as your members, we would be having problems with you. But now we know you and have been using you as a shield. Can we have Honorable Mbadi here tomorrow, Honorable Speaker, with due respect?
I'll direct the majority leader to search for and find the Honorable Mbadi and deliver him to the House at 2:30 tomorrow.
Oyangore ni japuonjre ma noyudo ka onegi e mbalariany ma multimedia Sylvia Kemunto